So we finally received the fog lights for the 1M bumper. So that one we're gonna do the install today. Also, we have the new air filter from Burger Motorsport. This is the cabin air filter, and here we have the signal light on the fender, on the front fender, that we're gonna replace, because the one we have there right now, it's a bit worn out. So this one is a new one, and this is an LED instead of a regular light bulb. So for the BMS cabin filter, you have to install it here. So I'm gonna take out this original air filter for the cabin, and we're gonna replace it with this BMS air filter. So the good thing about the BMS air filter, it's reusable, so you can just clean it when it's dirty. Plus it gives you a better interior sound of the engine when you're driving. So that's a big plus. So here we finally received the fog lights. It's really nice. So I'm gonna try to install this today, and after that there's two more install. So for the side markers, as you can see, this one is pretty worn out. Plus it has the incandescent bulb. Here we have the LED bulb. So I think this is a sequential light bulb. I don't know. After we did the install, we'll see if it's gonna be sequential or just a blinking LED bulb.
This is lit.
So to install the fog lights, you need to take some of the clips that came from the old bumper and just put it here so you can put the screw on. Before we complete the installation, we have to test the fog lights if it's working, just to make sure they're all good before we finalize the installation of the bumper. Alright, so guys, we just finished the installation of the fog lights for the 1M front bumper. Now it's time to install the Burger Motorsport cabin filter. So to install the Burger Motorsport, all we have to do is take out these. You have to take out the cabin air filter, this original cabin air filter from BMW, and then we're gonna replace it with this Burger Motorsport. So all we need to do is take out that 8mm screws, and then after that we can pop in the Burger Motorsport cabin filter. So you can also take out the cowl if you want to reduce the weight for the car, but for me I'm gonna keep it. All I have to do is take out just the air filter for the cabin and then put the Burger Motorsport, and that's it. So I'm not going for the weight reduction here, I'm going for the sound and also for the reusability of the Burger Motorsport air filter, because when that gets dirty, all you have to do is clean it and then you can reuse it again. So to remove the filter is very easy. All you have to do is take out this 8mm. So I'm already missing one, I just have to take out 3. So there's two sides for the opening for the cabin filter. There's a narrow side and a wider side. So you just have to position the same thing on the air filter. Just make sure the narrow side goes to the narrow side and the wider side goes to the wider side. And just push it like this. So it's a pretty tight fit. You don't even need to put the screws if you want. You can just leave it like that, because the fitting is very tight. So now the cabin air filter is done. Now it's time to move on to the side marker lights. So to replace also the side marker is very easy. All you have to do is push in the side marker, and while you're pushing it, you have to lift it up. So you have to remove the old bulb from the side marker. Have to twist it, and now you have to pull out the bulb. And then you have to connect the new side marker. Then plug it in. We'll see if it's gonna work. So it's working. Now it's time to proceed to do the install. Nice. So guys, we just did 3 simple mods on the BMW. First we installed the 1M fog lights. Then we installed the Burger Motorsport cabin air filter. Then after that, the LED sequential turn signal lights. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.